Hi, it's Jason, and welcome to my channel, Frank's Homestead. And if you're new to the channel, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this sort of thing. And today I'm just going to take you a quick trip around the property with the camera, just to kind of show you our little homestead. And then I'm going to show you some clips I put together from photos from when we started this homestead 5 years ago up to currently where it's at. Unfortunately, we didn't get all the pictures of everything at the time, but we got quite a bit, and hopefully it'll give you some kind of idea if you're looking to do something like this and homestead on your own, what it's going to take and how much labor and time it takes to get it done. And the way we decided to do it was to take it slow, and that way we could pay cash for everything, so we wouldn't have a mortgage on our property at all. And that's one less thing I got to worry about, and it's worked out so far for us. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video and leave some comments at the end, and like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you've learned something or helped you understand what it takes to start your own homestead from start to scratch. It is time consuming. Please leave any comments for us that you might have or questions. Future videos to come up, we'll dig a little bit deeper into how to do some of these projects for your own homestead, and that ought to be pretty helpful for you.